I did something pretty neat yesterday. Competed in my first lawnmower race, and I won. I didn't have GoPro or anything on me. Kelly got some videos of us on my phone, so I'll run through some race clips, and then we'll scope out the damage on the tractor. Oh, there's definitely damage.
Once so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets rang clear, the bombs bursting in air.
Somebody lost his shoe.
Probably goes up like here. Go faster! Go faster! Well, yeah, because if he goes
So I had like really short notice on this thing. I had about 1 day to build it and make it race worthy. I think it did all right. I didn't have to do very much. I mean, this is a really good, well-built tractor. All I did was underdrive the transmission, which is basically the most common thing to do. That needed a tune-up, and then basically go through everything and grease it and make sure it's tight, tires aired. I wired in a kill switch just in case, because the key doesn't really shut it off. And this thing's my work tractor. I mow the ditch in the woods with this, so I had to keep it together enough to, still use it when I was done. I fully expected to blow the motor up. She's pretty down on power, a lot of blow-by, very little compression. That's why I don't use it to mow my yard. I bought a zero turn for that. But this thing can drive on hills, so I use it to mow the ditch. Somewhere about halfway through the race, you can't really see in there, let me get a light. It started just puking oil out of the side. This was all clean before the race. And then it was dripping on the belt, and so the belt was slipping, so I had to pull the clutch back with my foot to put more pressure on the belt so that it would still drive. This is also the only other real problem I ran into. Can't really see it, but that's not supposed to almost touch the tires, and it does. So, broke something in the frame, blew the motor up, which I fully expected. Everybody else was, blowing their tires off, but the front end of these red squares is just built like a tank. I did hit a couple trees with this tire. You can see they're still fine. Well, overall, that was a great event. We kept the tractor together, which was ideal. My body is just beat up. That's to be expected. That track wasn't just through the field. It was a full-on hare scramble through the woods on their ATV and side-by-side track. just some hill climbs and some creek crossings, real tight through the trees. But we put down nice, clean, consistent laps. We did more laps than anybody else, and we brought home the trophy, for whatever that means. I just went there to have fun, and I did. I wish there were more events like that around, you know, oddball stuff like lawnmower racing, mini bikes, hill climb stuff. Just seems like there's such small groups of people that want to do that. I know there's other events, especially for lawnmower stuff around the country, so maybe I'll do some track one, who knows. Maybe I'll host my own events. We'll see. I think it'd be a lot of fun. Either way, I'm gonna get this thing put back together, fix what's broken so I can put this back to work, and yeah, thanks for watching.